first we try on 1 digit multiply with 3 digits. How we multiply it? Just try on first digit. 1 times 1 we get
1.
1 times 2 we get
1 times 2 we get 2.
1 times 3 we get
3.
good. So now dear, you check
Just
it.
like the top number.
Good. This is simple. First digit 1 digit multiply with 1. Now in case if I add second digit here which is 2. So in that case we start the second digit multiplication. So first we create vacancy here. Vacancy means that this is identification that we start second digit multiplication. Understand?
Yes.
Good. Now after that tell me 2 times 1 we get
2 times 1 we get 2.
2 times 1 we get 2. Good. So 2 times 1 we get 2 and 2 times 2 we get
4.
good. So 2 is come here. 2 times 2 we get 4 and 2 times 3 we get 6. Now dear we add all of these. 1 add into 0 we get
1.
2 add into 2 we get
What did you say?
2
2 to
add
3.
good
2 to
3 plus 4 we get
No, but 2 plus 2 is 4.
good 3 plus 4 we get
7.
good and 6 has come down here. Understand? We get
Yes.
6,741. Now dear, in simple, in one digit multiplication, we just use the same rule we use for one digit. Just like 1 times 1 we get 1, 1 times 2 we get 2, 1 times 3 we get 3. Now in start of second digit multiplication, first we write 0 here because this will identify that we start second digit, okay? And after that 2 times 1 we get 2, 2 times 2 we get 4, 2 times 3 we get 6. Understand?
6.
After that we add these both results and we get 1 add into 0 we get 1, 2 add into 2 we get 4, 3 add into 4 we get 7, 6 is down here. Understand?
Yes.
Similarly, without sticky we try on something. 3 and 4 we multiply with 1, 2, 3. The 1, 2, 3 means that I take the simple questions. So 4 times 1 we get
4. Can I draw? Should I draw it?
4 times 2
Then you
we
can
get
draw 8.
4 times 3 we get
12.
good, and we write 0 here in the start of second digit multiplication. 3
3
times
times
1
3. 3.
good,
3 times 2 is 6.
good,
3 times 3 we get 9.
good. Now we add these.
Now
4 8 into
0.
0,
4.
8 8 into 3, 8 plus
11.
3, good.
11.
Take 1 kiri here.
Yep, carry there.
1 plus 2,
1 plus 2 we get 3.
3 plus 6,
We get 3 plus 6 we get 9.
good. 9 plus 1,
9 plus 1 we get 10.
good, super. So our result is how much?
10,914.
Good. Now you understand it?
Yes.
You have any question about this?
No.
If I write this question here, 807
Sorry, teacher.
times 54, can I, if I am right here, can you multiply this?
Yes.
Good. So you make practice on it. Let me check how much you understand.
Okay. Okay, teacher. So
4 times 7,
4 times 7 we